In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Excel sheet from WPS Office. Welcome, and thank you for being here. If you're looking for a simple and efficient way to create spreadsheets on your computer without using Microsoft Excel, WPS Office provides a powerful and user-friendly alternative. In this tutorial, I will guide you through the process of creating, editing, and saving an Excel-style sheet using the WPS Office desktop app. To get started, open the WPS Office desktop application and wait for the homepage to load. Once you are on the main screen, click on Sheets to access the spreadsheet section of the app. Here, you will have the option to start with a blank sheet or select one of the available templates. Templates can be very useful if you want a pre-designed layout for tasks like budgets, trackers, or reports. However, if you prefer complete control over your spreadsheet, starting with a blank sheet is the best choice. Once your sheet is open, you can immediately begin entering data into the cells. WPS Sheets functions very similarly to Microsoft Excel, so if you have prior experience with Excel, the interface will feel familiar and intuitive. You can type both text and numbers into cells, adjust font styles and sizes, and apply colors to make your data more readable. There is also an option to merge cells, which is especially helpful for creating headings or organizing sections within your spreadsheet. If your sheet requires calculations, you can use formulas just like in Excel. WPS Office supports common formulas and basic functions, making it ideal for managing numbers, tracking expenses, or organizing any kind of data. Take some time to explore the tools located at the top of the screen, as they can help you format and structure your spreadsheet more efficiently. Once you are satisfied with your Excel sheet, saving your work is quick and straightforward. Click the Save option at the top of the window. You will then be prompted to choose a storage location on your computer. Select a folder that is easy to access, enter a file name that you will recognize later, and confirm the save. Once the file is saved, your spreadsheet is ready to be used, edited, or shared whenever you need it. That's everything you need to know to create an Excel sheet using the WPS Office desktop app. If you found this video helpful, let me know in the comments. Give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell.